start recording. Hey, what is up, guys? How are you guys doing? Hopefully, you guys doing amazing. And today I am here with one of my friends called Liam. Liam.
Hi.
Oh, yep, yeah. Well, we will be playing V-Swap. He's a noob, as you can see. Hey, hello. Look, you wanna see some lag? Do you wanna know what lag called?
Sure.
Are you ready? Oh, look at these intent.
For me, it's not even lagging. Like,
It's
I
not
guess
lagging
the
for
push
me either,
speed
because I'm
right
not on
now.
the field and I'm just walking around.
Okay, go on the field then.
Okay, okay. You know, let's see what you have to do. Noob. Oh god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging a lot. Oh, I'm lagging. I'm very laggy. I can't move.
I can tell you're lagging. I'm not lagging.
Oh no, I'm not lagging. Never mind. I am lagging. I am lagging.
For
Oh,
me, I am not
flying
lagging.
ground.
So I don't
You,
know what you're talking about lagging.
huh? You're lagging?
I don't know what you're talking about lagging.
Well,
I'm not
you.
lagging. Yeah, I don't think your computer's okay.
It's not okay. You have a PC and I'm playing on a laptop. Difference.
Okay, yeah. What are these jelly beans?
Oh, this guy better than me. Let's see how much better. Oh, he's a lot better. Oh no, he's not really. He's one B. One. Oh no, he's like 1, 2, 3. 3 B better than me. Anyways, I'm not lagging right now. A little bit. But where are you?
I am getting Poland in
Noob.
B.
And what did you say? You have the Star Jelly?
Yes.
Star Jelly, fancy. Get a newbie.
I need 200 more pollen.
Easy. I can give you that. I have five. I have 583
Oh, I got enough pollen now.
million pollen. Would it help if I somehow managed to give you 100 million pollen?
I got another basic
You're not
egg.
gonna find me because I'm in a secret area.
I got another basic
Okay, yeah, I
egg.
think the basic thing we need to do, I keep forgetting this, but let's find all the secrets in this world. The secret! The secret! The secret!
I need the pollen. I need to go get another storage.
No, follow me. I can get you that.
You
Hey,
can?
just hurry up and click E.
Let me
Okay, it's
just
done.
get this pollen. Okay.
Oh, you're getting me
I'll go
angry.
now.
I have, follow me. Go up here. Right now it's still bees miss, so that's Christmas for bees. Walk into the street. You'll find the one little end game item, you might have collected it.
I've got 15 honeysuckles now.
Yeah, I don't think you can access this one, because you don't have
No.
bees. Great, how are you supposed to get up there? What is this? No, that's on a solid. You can't get up there, can you? Great, okay, anyways, well, the next one I want you to do is, follow, where are you? Oh, jump down here.
Yeah, you're losing me in all of your bees.
Just follow my bees. And up here,
Tickets, what are these things for?
they're basically like gems in other games. I don't think. Oh, there's
Oh,
one here. There's one this way. As long as my parkour skills isn't the best, as you can see. Yeah.
I just die.
No. So did I.
The movement in this game is slower than literally anything.
Well, obviously it's slower. Well, maybe because you play like. Oh my god, my sensitivity is high. What is happening?
Uh,
This way.
speed run.
Parachute.
I feel like I am slower than anything in the entire universe.
Why do you sound like Technoblade?
Oh, such a... I found a royal jelly. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one you're supposed to get, not a star jelly. You rich boy.
What's the difference between gilded rare or rare?
Gilded.
I
It's gifted.
yeah. Oh,
Look at my
gifted.
bees, please. Just look at my bees.
Okay. So I used royal jelly on one of these bees.
Yes, use a royal jelly on one of them.
I've got an epic shot bee.
Oh my god. Look what I have. Look at my bees.
Yes, I see them.
So let me teach you. These green ones, the green background ones, yeah? Those are
Mm,
event bees. You buy them with tickets.
mm,
Or grind a lot. And then the blue ones, so, as you can see, they are legendaries. And then the one
mm.
you have, like the yellow looking ones, they're just epic.
Oh,
Or wait, are they
okay.
epic or rare? Yeah, epic. Then we have rare, isn't like the white one. And the basic one's common. And the one I have is purple. That is, oh my god. That is what I call mythic. I remember like 1 in a billion chance to get one, so good luck. Uh, and also, you see those ones with a yellow outline around it?
Mm,
Those ones are gifted. I use a gifted star jelly to get these. Very, very rare to get one. So that's why I wanted to save you up. But I can use one now. He can use one now. I just wanted to show the viewers. You can use it on now. But don't use it on the same bee.
okay.
Use it on the other bee.
Yeah, okay, that's a good idea. Alright, star my jelly on the other bee. I've got a blue rare gifted bumblebee.
That's not bad. It's quite a good bee.
What it do?
It collects honey quite fast because it's a blue bee. Okay, so let me teach you. Okay, oh, I kind of flew off. You can see me flying in the sky, right?
Have I got 220 pollen out of 220? Wait, how did I just get extra pollen for no apparent reason?
Who's this guy? Hey, man. Who the you?
I need
You know what?
Easter
Let's
egg.
let's go to a field. Let's go to a field. You're a very big noob.
Yes, I
Do you even
know,
have a
but
quest? Do you have a quest?
no, I don't have a quest.
Oh my god, let's get a quest. Let's get you a quest.
I just make my honey first, so I can actually. I'll go. I can do that once I
You
just go
get a
my.
lot of honey from quests. That's how you basically grind in this game. Quests or
Let me
AFK
just
grind.
get a extra storage, a jar. I've got
You have a jar?
sausage. I've got the jar.
Okay, I'm gonna be like, you got a jar? Okay. I
That's
equipped
it.
the jar.
That's the second one, but where we go. I'm at the first little field thing.
I don't think I can use the jar.
The jar is like the first one, like the second one you have.
Okay, well, I'm gonna change that out. Bro, you have the jar, right?
Mm,
Even with the jar, how much storage do you have?
825.
I have 3,577,000.
What's the sprout tree thing over here?
Oh yeah, get that. You get some good loot.
Oh, okay.
Where is it?
There's this random sprout thingy here.
Where are you? Do you have five
I don't
bees?
know. I
Oh, this thing?
yeah.
Not this thing. Let me help
Oh,
you a little bit, you noob. First of all, let's get a quest going.
can I just go get this honey sold for some money?
Yeah, sure. You like some free honey?
Yes,
It's
free
you.
honey is very
Yeah,
good.
you might want to stand in the field for this. Tell me when you're in the field. I'm gonna summon a honey swarm.
Huh? I am in a field
Enjoy.
now.
Free honey
Oh,
everywhere.
thank you. Honey, 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 honey.
Let's get the token.
Honey, honey, honey free, a lot of free
And you can
honey,
also find
honey,
tickets, and I'm gonna steal
honey
some because you
free,
know I'm gonna steal it.
honey,
I'm much
a
faster than
lot of free honey, 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 honey.
it's over now. You want
Okay,
even
give
more
me
free
that.
honey? You want even more free honey?
No, I don't need any more free honey.
I'm talking about a lot. This one's a big boy.
I'm not even in a field anymore. I'm just getting more eggs.
I know, but I can plant a magic bean.
Hang on. I need to get another egg in my thing. Basic egg. I got
Oh,
another
nice.
basic bee.
Any Royal Jellies? No?
No.
How many tickets do you have?
I have 3.
That's three. If you need six, never mind.
How much you need? Okay, let's go get quest. Is the
Quest
bear guy
number
over here?
one. Look, this one. Look at it. This one. This one. This one. Hey, hey, hey. This one. This one. This one.
Oh,
Yeah. Quest. I'm gonna get a better
okay.
backpack. I can't live with this backpack.
Oh, I just got present. I got glitter, a royal jenny, ornament. I just, Black Bear gave me gifts. 1 glitter, 1 royal jenny, 1 honey jar ornament.
Did you say Jenny?
Hmm. I
It's
said
called.
jelly, but there's like a ornament bear thing over here.
Oh yeah, the ornaments. Yeah, I collected
But
basically
I
all
got
the.
a royal jelly. I'm gonna use it.
I haven't completed it yet. Oh my, I'm bad. Okay, well.
I'm using the royal jelly again. And I turned another shock bee. Anyway, I get the quest now. Actually, I think I've got enough. No, I don't have enough of them. I need to do the quest.
Wow. Look how fast I am.
I need to collect. Uh, I need to collect 750 red pollen, 750 white pollen.
What did you
I'm
say?
about to finish collecting the white pollen I need to collect.
You collect
I need
red
to
pollen
collect
here?
the red pollen now.
Are you sure you don't want some good honey? Now you understand why I'm lagging all the time?
Yes, but I'm not, so I'm fine.
That's because you're not good. I know a YouTuber, one of my friends, well not really one of my friends, but I just found him on YouTube and I managed to join his friends list. But like, anyways, he's basically top in the game, and obviously he is a gaming PC, and he is also like, you know, laggy.
Got another basic egg. Is there any other type of egg?
Yes, there's a rare egg, there's a legendary egg, there's a mythic egg, there's an epic
Yeah,
egg.
more basic bees.
I have two
I need
diamond eggs, one rascal bee egg, one honeybee jelly. Don't need that.
I need to collect 10 honey tokens. This seems like a bit of a rough first quest.
You know what honey tokens are, right?
No.
You get like five of them for like killing one single thing.
Oh.
Just where are you?
I just found like a guy. I just hit like a weird star thingy bob and it just produced like a star out of
Okay,
nowhere.
so do you want something cool?
I need more snowflake tokens.
No, you don't need that right now because you can't even access it.
No, it says I need to collect 3 snowflake tokens.
Oh, you're doing the quest? The quest one's
Yeah.
difficult. Oh, good luck.
Like the
I
bear
mean,
quest.
yeah, no, you're doing the different quest. You're not doing the beginner quest. You're doing the Beastmas quest.
No, it's the black bear's honey race.
Yeah, because
Oh,
in the normal quest, because normally, what's it called? Snowflakes are not a thing. It only comes out in during Beastmas.
oh, okay. I just go get another quest now.
And do you need some little things? I found I can put a
Oh
magic
yeah.
bean down for you to enjoy.
Okay, I need 100 pollen from sunflower seeds.
Go
That's
to
it.
the sunflower this one.
Oh, what is this?
Alright, I'm gonna put it down. I don't care if you need it or not. Enjoy. Oh my god, I planted a legendary one for you. Jesus. I'm not even gonna be able to
What is
destroy
it
this one.
giving me?
You see that? It says 10 million. You're gonna have to grind 10 million and then you might be able to get some crazy loot. I'm talking crazy. I've never seen a legendary before.
I'll be back.
I will slowly enjoy my pain of destroying 10 million! 10 million! I'm not gonna be able to destroy 10 million.
Somehow I've got 1031 out of 825 pollen. Somehow.
Oh, you get them. Oh, your parents are getting angry? Or is that your sister? I can't tell.
There's no one yelling at my background.
Really?
There's no one's home.
That's you.
That's not
Who's
me.
that? Who's that? Who's that talking?
I don't know. Probably like my mom or something. I don't know.
Is your mic that good that can record your neighbors, bro?
Yeah, it's my mum, even though she's talking really quietly.
Oh, so someone is home.
It turns out, yes, I didn't even know. But okay.
Yeah, if you go to, yeah, if you go to Sunflower Field.
I collect 500 pollen.
Yeah, you might want to
That's
go
ridiculous.
to, Sunflower. Just maybe.
Still somehow got 1031 out of 825.
Yeah,
This
I'm
is
just
broken.
saying, do you want to go to Sunflower and help me a little bit? I need kind of help.
I will in just a second.
Because normally in this situation, I just AFK. But I can't AFK. Because I don't want to AFK today. I'm a changed man. Do, do,
I'm
do,
gonna
do.
do that and help.
I don't know how much help, but like, it might not be a lot, but it's definitely gonna help. You see this number over here?
I got 3 snowflake tokens. I need more honey tokens. Oh, I got the sunflower. I now just need 5 more honey tokens.
Why am I so lag?
My shock bee leveled up,
Oh, my
and
neck
so did
hurts.
my
For those viewers who don't know,
honeybee.
I hurt my neck. Very bad.
I need
Very bad.
600 red pollen. I'm also gonna sit here and wait until your guys produce honey tokens.
Yeah, enjoy. Because that's not gonna happen. I can't destroy a legendary one. I gotta plant another one. This one I can. Go to the middle one. The one with the white balls. Got Dandelion
Hang
Field.
on. Can you stop that for a second?
I can't really do that
Um,
because my bees are doing it because I'm OP.
I have full pollen. If it gives you any pollen, I have full pollen.
Just wait, I can do this in 3 seconds. Just enjoy the loot. And now. See ya.
Got nothing from that. What you
It's all
mean?
over the grounds. Get them.
Oh, I see it.
You don't have speed. Get the royal jellies.
Where is
The
they?
royal jellies are the rare ones. Oh my god.
Oh, oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay, I got.
Got some stuff at least. Well, you have one, two, three, four. One more bee. Come on, let's do this. Oh yeah, and I don't know. Have I told you about this one? This another secret. We get free royal jelly.
Uh, I'll go see that. I'll go see that secret.
It's not really a secret, but
Hang on, I'm just gonna put. Hang on, I'm gonna put the basic egg in.
Oh, you got another one? Nice. Now you're 5. Why are you making... Why?
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Come on. Chop chop. Chip
Not
chip.
speed.
Oh my. Yeah, I did.
Oh, I've now
Oh,
got
that's a ticket.
6 tickets.
But let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. In here.
That royal jelly up there.
You didn't get that one.
I will get.
Oh, this one, I don't think it's possible. Or is it? You just need crazy parkour skills. Because I can just fly there. But, like, I don't want to fly for you. Because
I have. I do have.
you can't really fly, can you? Well, I mean, if I mean just glide. Could just do this.
Got
Yeah.
it.
Whee! This one?
Oh no! 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 No!
Oh, is this thing's
Run.
killing you?
Oh, I need to go get the other side so I can get that royal jelly. I see in the window. I
Come on.
see royal
My
jelly
beef
in the
can't kill this
window.
one. Don't worry about that. It's gone. You realize there's loot from those, right? Killing things give you loot.
Okay.
Right there. It's right there. Get in! I know you
You have
can't
to
get
go.
it.
I think I have to go around.
You don't. You
Yeah,
don't.
back here. I see. Back
Hey, you
here.
figured it out
Back
yourself.
here.
Look at that. It's very dark in here. Oh, I went out the wrong way.
There we go. I got 2 royal jellies. Now I can. Whenever I get new B, I can just make a new B.
You do realize you should be upgrading your basic bees right now, right?
Yeah, I know. Every time I get a new B, I'll just
Do
use it.
you have a lot of honey?
I have 3,900. I just need to get
I
rid of
mean,
some of the
pollen.
honey.
I mean, pollen.
I have 825 pollen.
You might want to go claim that in your hive for now, and I'll show you something sick.
Let me just use one of my royal jellies on this guy. I got a looker
Ooh,
bee.
looker bee. That's not bad. Oh, yeah. Wait, that's mine. Never mind. What's your next one? Because you say you had 2.
I have 2 royal jellies, but I don't have. Oh, wait, that's a basic bee. That's a basic bee.
Yeah,
I
that's the
can
basic
use it
bee.
on that one. I got brave
Ooh,
bee.
a brave bee. Brave bees are quite useful. Okay, let's go.
Alright,
Claim
now
you.
I just need to go get extra storage. Hang on.
You're not gonna want storage after this.
Let me just get it first.
Do 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 do
I can't even
do.
afford it. It's expensive.
Okay,
Okay, where
follow.
is it?
Go to Spiderfield.
Spider field. Okay, you can just sprint off ahead. There's a royal jelly there. I'll go grab that.
Oh, you can't get up there, can you?
I can. I am speed. I mean
Oh,
parkour.
you can.
Uh,
No way you can. And for
okay,
the viewers
so
watching, you guys can do this as well, and you know, do this kind of thing.
I get spider place.
Okay, so you killed this guy. Yeah. Okay. Good. Watch this thing. I'm gonna summon this thing. It's gonna one-shot you. Enjoy. I'm leaving. Hey, get back on the field.
I'm good. You go kill him.
I can't kill him. It's so OP.
Hang on.
I need max, like 3 max level players to kill that guy. Oh yeah, and I also forgot. You forgot to kill the boss. Follow me. It's the easy boss, not that one.
How do you what?
This one gives you. This one you're supposed to fight.
I
They
want to
give
go fight.
this way. Kill these guys. Yes. Is it dead? Yes, it is. Okay, follow me in here. Behind these flowers, we have a weird looking green thing. Oh, I fell in. Don't come in yet. Don't come in yet. Oh,
Oh,
you came in.
I went in.
That's okay. Cause it's everyone from the south. The other boss won't help. Like my beast can't help you. Oh my, I'm taking a little bit of damage. Oh, I got level up beast. Nice. Oh yeah, there's a glitch where it can't hit you if you do this. Just do what I'm doing, and just run into here and face the wall. It can't hit you. No, no, not that side. The other side.
It still
Oh,
can't hit me.
it can't hit you. It hit you.
I'm running. Bees, help me.
You only have 3 Vs. Come on. Don't expect too much. It's 11, 7. Wait, you haven't done a single damage to it yet.
No, I haven't. I died.
Yeah, you might want to go
Hey,
back when you get some
hey.
stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go fight the biggest boss you might ever think. It's a one shot. You guys, you wait here. Get some more bees. Level them up. Feed them food. Feed them treats. That's how you level up your
Okay,
bees.
I've got a bunch of treats. I've
Better
got
level.
15
Feed them.
treats. Alright, you can have a treat.
I like dogs. You can have a trick. Oh, you can have a treat. Oh, you can have
I'll
a treat.
give them, so there's 4. I have 15.
Come on, I need that. Don't need these. I need the other token.
I'll give them 3 each.
Oh, come on. Come on, bro. I'm almost dead. And it's a one shot, but like I'm getting close to the end, and if it's the end, I get. Oh, I killed it. Oh, look at that loot. Look at that loot. It just gave me 10
I'll
million.
give
10 million
I'll give
honey. Look
them
at that loot.
strawberries.
Strawberries you need to give to red bees, and blueberries you need to give to blue bees for extra bonus. Ow, my
Give
neck
this guy
hurts.
all 4
I feel like
blueberries.
I broke my neck. Level 3, level 4, not bad. Oh my god,
I
I
need to
have
go get
super.
more honey. I need 10,000 if I want
I use a
honey.
super smoothie! No! I used the world's most rarest item in the game. I only got this from a code. Oh, I used it! No, 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 no! I don't need it! No, no, no! Ah!
I don't think you're okay. I think you used a super smoothie in real life.
No, you don't know how rare. A super smoothie, you need 100 gifted star jellies to create. And I only have 8. Huh?
That's not that hard.
Good luck with 100 gifted, not 100 royal jellies.
Hmm.
Oh man, my bag is filling up quite quickly though. I'm gonna put a sprinkler down here, and one over here, and one over here. Would you look at that? For 3
I've got a
sprinkles.
storage of 3,850.
One click for that, it's gone for me. You know, I don't even care about my super smoothie anymore. Goodbye. Goodbye to my very expensive super smoothie.
You're
Oh,
okay.
I will never be able to get any one of those again. Never. Not until I finish the whole game 3 times. I have 40 bees right now in 50. Oh, I kind of destroyed another sprout in thing for a lot of. This one is a better one. Oh, that's a lot of gifted. No, that's not gifted. That's just normal ray jellies. Wait, you can't use the cannon, can you? Can you?
I don't think so.
Okay. Cannon's quite nice. Yeah, you grind in some thing. Grind in what is it called? Grind there.
What's this
Okay.
one ticket thing here?
Huh?
There's just one ticket thing
Oh
here,
yeah,
and
that's
I'm
to empty your bag for one ticket.
uh,
But I wouldn't recommend doing it. It's a big waste of money. What I
so what
do
do I do with my
recommend,
3
what I
tickets?
do recommend is follow me. Go to the ticket shop.
What do you do with 3 tickets?
Nothing.
6 tickets, I mean.
The most cheapest thing that is 50 tickets. It's golden egg, which is called. It's also called. Oh, you can call it epic egg. I have every single bee in here.
What can I get for 6 tickets? What is this for?
Go in
What
there
can I
though.
get for 6
Look
tickets?
around here.
There's nothing in there.
There's a lot of things in
Nothing.
there. Oh wait, I haven't shown you the secret. How about to get actually even more things? But there's another secret behind that.
Hang on. Let me just get rid of all my pollen and turn it all into honey. Alright.
No, okay.
Where's secret?
This one. Behind this gift that you probably haven't unlocked.
Oh, royal jelly. Got a royal jelly.
And
Ooh,
behind here, there's a maze.
I know how to do mazes. I just randomly go through them and eventually succeed.
Boom. I made it. Oh, that's one of the. There's another one.
I've got 11 tickets now.
Nope. Is there something there? No, there's nothing there. Um, the other side. Oh yeah, there's something here. You're gonna get some jelly beans. You see that bit over there? You see something over there. You want to get it, right?
Yes.
Just wait there. Don't move. I might help you get rid of that thing. Boom. Oh, I missed. Just wait. Don't wait. Just wait there. Don't move. Hey, I'm here. Hi.
Oh, me.
Yeah, you can't get over here. This is in 35 B zone. You need 35 Bs to get here. Yeah, I did that to make you annoying. So yeah, get out of that place. There's another maze, but I don't think you can access it. You need 15 Bs. If you watch my videos, you will know where that is. You can't even get up it, can you?
Up where?
Here.
No, I couldn't even get up there, so there's no point in me trying.
Vicious Bee and Spiderfield, you might want to go to this one. This one's giving you stingers, and you can unlock a event B with stingers.
Where?
Quickly, I'm about to kill it.
Where are you?
Spiderfield,
I'm
you have
coming
5
here.
seconds or it's dead. 5, 4,
I
3,
can't get that in time.
2, and it's not dead yet. And it's dead.
I hear.
It's dead.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
And I got 5 stingers from that. 7 stingers. How many stingers do you need? You need you need 250 stingers to get a vicious P. I don't need it because I already got one. And mine's gifted. Don't just want to be like me. So handsome. No? Okay. Well, anyways, I think I'll have to end this video right there. And I'll go ahead off playing with him. And thank you guys very much for watching. And let's see and tune in to the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And it's bye for now. Bye.